Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to break down Graphify, what it is, why it's a game changer for token efficiency, and how it acts as the ultimate memory layer for a local AI. Graphify is an open source tool and AI skill that converts your entire folder of code, documents, PDF, and multimedia into a queryable knowledge graph. It acts as a persistent memory layer for your local AI coding assistant. With standard tools like Claude OpenCode, opening a new chat session means your AI has to relearn your codebase context completely from scratch. Instead of having memory, it relies on brute force search commands like grep to constantly rescan and reread your raw files for clues, which burns through a massive amount of tokens, drives up cost, and slows down your workflow. The ultimate solution for taking control of your token uses and running a highly efficient AI is Graphify. Graphify solves this by building a persistent structured map of your project. Instead of blind scanning, it provides the AI with only relevant pre-passed context it needs. This dramatically reduces token uses and instantly cuts down response times. When you put this all together, Graphify creates a highly optimized loop. You prompt your AI, it instantly retrieves the exact structural memory it needs from the graph, processes that highly efficient context, and delivers a smarter answer. It simply results in faster, cheaper AI development with persistent memory across every session. The best part about Graphify is its versatility. Once it builds the map, it seamlessly supports platforms like Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and many more. So what actually happens when you run it? When you execute the /graphify command, it parses your entire project folder and generates a Graphify out directory containing three essential files. First is graph.html. If you open that up in your browser, you get this graph. This is your entire codebase mapped out into a structured, queryable knowledge graph, living entirely offline on your machine. Next, you get graphReport.md. This is simply a readable markdown summary highlighting key concepts, surprising structural connections, and suggested questions about your code. Finally, there is graph.json. This is the actual raw structured data file containing all the nodes and edges that your AI coding assistant reads behind the scenes to instantly understand your project. So that was quick introduction to Graphify. We learned about the core concept of Graphify and how it completely solves the AI memory wipe problem. In my next video, we are diving into the terminal. I'll show you exactly how to install this from scratch and connect it directly to your local AI, giving you a 100% free self-hosted AI assistant. Thank you guys for watching this video.